Rudi usome system. PWDS chair Maalim slams Gachagua over his last remark. Gachagua had written to IEBC chairperson Erastus Edung, alleging that Abdallah was overstepping her mandate and intimidating returning officers. He warned that such action could weaken public confidence in the commission. Maalim rubbished the accusation, saying they were not supported by fact. He insisted that Kenya's elections are guided by a clear constitutional procedure and that the IEBC was operating within the law. He praised Abdallah as a disciplined and a principled leader who followed the electoral process faithfully. According to Maalim, the by-election offered a chance for the new IEBC commissioners to demonstrate their capability. He noted that the experience gained will help the commission refine its system ahead of 2027 general election.